If you want to crochet your own adorable balloon dog, just follow along with this video. For this project, I'm using a yarn suited for a 3.5 to 4 mm hook, paired with a 3.5 crochet hook. For the entire dog, I ended up using a bit more than 2 balls of yarn. You also need some fiber fill for the stuffing. To explain the process, I'm crocheting the dog from back to front in 10 individual sausage segments. We'll start with a magic ring and 6 single crochets. Close the round with a slip stitch and a chain stitch. For the next 4 rounds, work 1 single crochet into every stitch of the previous round, so 6 single crochet per round, always closing with a slip stitch and a chain stitch. This gives us a cute little stubby tail. Now we move on to the first segment, which forms the hindquarters. In round 6 we increase to 12 stitches, which means doubling every stitch from the previous round by placing 2 single crochets into one. In round 7, we increase to 18 stitches by doubling every second stitch. In round 8, we increase to 24, which will be the final width of every segment. To achieve this, simply work 2 single crochets into every third stitch. Next, we'll crochet the side wall of the first segment. Continue with 24 single crochets and work 6 rounds without any increases or decreases. In round 15, we reduce the stitch count from 24 down to 18 by crocheting the 3rd and 4th stitches together. In round 16, we reduce down to 12 stitches by crocheting every second and third stitch together. Now stuff the first segment with fiber fill until it's nice and firm. Finally, crochet every 2 stitches together to reduce the count from 12 to 6. And just like that, the first segment is finished. To connect the individual segments, we use a small neck consisting of 6 single crochets. This neck is the same between every part of the dog. Once the neck is done, you simply start the increase process for the next segment. The steps for increasing and decreasing remain exactly the same for every segment. The only thing that changes is the number of rounds for the side walls, as the body parts, legs and ears have different lengths. For each new segment, we start from our 6 stitches and increase back up to 24, just like before. After finishing the side walls, we decrease back down to 6, stuff it firmly in between, and move on to the next connecting neck. Assembling the balloon was a bit of a challenge. Simply connecting the neck pieces between the segments wouldn't have given the dog enough stability to stand on its own. It's really important to reinforce the connections between all the parts. For example, I suggest sewing the face slightly to the ears and then securing the ears to the neck, and so on. My best advice is to just experiment and keep going until you feel the dog has enough stability to hold its shape. And there we have it, our finished balloon dog. Doesn't he look absolutely amazing? I really hope you enjoyed this video and you have a lot of fun making your own. Let me know in the comments if you decided to try it out. Thanks for watching!